All my thoughts are running right beside my head. Just keep coming. Thought it would be different when I got my things in place. Stuck in this commotion. How come I ain't past this yet? I wanted me to be somebody else, another me that doesn't need your help. But if I'm honest, I don't think we got it. I try to change the things you never liked. Try to make this
Saan tayo, Jobs? Vlog?
Pwede ka na po kami sa kasama. Earlier, it's 31 degrees.
Kasama pa, Dubai?
So, we're used
Wala na, nasa kami. Hulaan, pero yung SM card ako.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Wala po ba tayo? Side. So, ano kami, anong tawag na overpass review? Overpass review po kami. Jobs, ikaw na lang yung main character ng vlog. Dahil ikaw yung naging conductor kanina. As the reception.
Hindi na ata, nakita ko. Hindi kasi nakita ko yung ano.
wanted to do better, wanted to be great, but some things stay the same. Some things stay the same. Some things stay the same. I can change the way I am, the way I talk, the way I stand. It doesn't really matter, 'cause I'll still be the same.
May fresh naman dyan, Jobs.
I can change the way I am, the way I talk, the way I stand.
Sa true. Saka na makeup?
Isn't she lovely? Isn't she wonderful? Isn't she precious? Less than 1 minute. I never thought through love would be make you want as lovely as she. Isn't she lovely? Made from love. Isn't she pretty? Truly the angel's best. Boy, I'm so happy.
Yeah!
We have been heaven blessed. I can't believe what God has done. Through us, He's given life to us. Isn't she lovely? Made from love.
Yes. Where are we going?
Ay, magandang tanghali sa inyo. Nandito kami sa Bamban, Tarlac. At hatingin na namin si Mayor Alice Guo, controversial mayor ng Bamban. Na joke lang. Balik na kami sa Bella Plaza, the Bella Plaza.
Beliza. Diba?
Nakita ko na lang sa tricycle rider kung alam niyo.
Walking down. Ah! Cute.
Nakapark din sa kalye namin. Pero yung pinaalis.
Usapang towing.
Alis din sa kalye. Ayan na bukas na yung tubig.
May patubig na sila.
Hindi na mag-swim.
Dahil si Joy ang naging ating
Isn't she lovely?
you know.
And for this reason, we would like to request our lovely bride, na si Miss Joy Garcia Lazaro.
Beautiful and sweet. Well, I never knew you were the summer waiting for me. We were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what.
Miss MJ. Congratulations, hindi na sila yung may got the job. Hindi ko mawili na. At the same time, and sila na po, kita nyo naman, di ba, mararamdaman nyo ang pagmamahal ng kaibigan na parang sister na sa ating very beautiful bride na si Joy.